application of Pythagoras theorem. Application of Pythagoras theorem. The first application is in triangle ABC. Angle C is acute angle, means less than 90 degree. The measure of angle C is less than 90 degree. Segment AD perpendicular to segment BC. Then to prove AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square minus 2BC into DC. From the given information, I draw the triangle ABC in which angle C is acute angle, means its measure is less than 90 degree, and AD perpendicular to BC. This AD perpendicular on side BC. Now, proof. First, in triangle ADC, if you observe, this angle D is equal to 90 degree. Hence, I write here in triangle ADC, angle D 90 degree. Therefore, use here Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. AD square plus DC square. Equation 1. Equation 1. Now, again in triangle ADB, angle D 90 degree. AB is a hypotenuse. By using Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ADB, angle D 90 degree. Therefore, AB square is equal to, this AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square by Pythagoras theorem. You also write here by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now, this AB square is equal to, I write AD square as it is plus BD, this BD is equal to total BC minus DC by betweenness, BDC betweenness. This BD is equal to BC minus DC. Hence I write here BC minus DC bracket square. Here I write BDC betweenness, BDC betweenness. This is equal to AD square as it is plus BC minus DC bracket square, expansion formula A minus B bracket square, A square minus 2AB plus B square. Hence I write here first term BC square minus 2 into BC into DC plus DC square plus DC square. This is equal to AD square. I write this DC square here, AD square DC square plus what? BC square minus 2 BC into DC. Now, this value of AD square plus DC square in equation first, what that AD square plus DC square is equal to AC square. Therefore, instead of this AD square plus DC square, I write here AC square plus BC square minus 2BC into DC. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square minus 2BC into DC. Hence, the application of first Pythagoras theorem is proved. Now, the second application of Pythagoras theorem, what that? In triangle ABC, angle ACB is obtuse angle, means the measure of this angle ACB is greater than 90 degree. Segment AD perpendicular to segment BC. This AD perpendicular to side BC. I extend BC side here in this way. That's why I draw AD perpendicular to BC. What to prove here? AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square plus 2BC into CD. From the figure, this angle C is a obtuse angle, its opposite side, this AB square, this is equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides, BC square plus AC square, plus 2 times this BC into this segment CD. You prove this. Now, proof. First, in triangle ADC, angle D is equal to 90 degree. I write here, in triangle ADC, angle D 90 degree. Therefore, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square by Pythagoras theorem. Name equation 1. Again, in triangle ADB, angle D 90 degree. Therefore, this AB square, AB is the hypotenuse in ADB, AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square, AD square plus BD square by Pythagoras theorem. You write full statement here, Pythagoras theorem. Now, this AB square is equal to AD square as it is plus, instead of this BD, I write DC plus BC. This DC plus BC, DC plus BC, bracket square, BD square, BD, value of BD is DC plus BC, back square, its square, reason DCB betweenness. Now, this is equal to AD square as it is plus, you remove this bracket, expansion formula A plus B bracket square formula is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Hence, DC square plus 2 into DC into BC plus BC square. I write the reason here, A plus B bracket square formula, this is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay. Now, is equal to this AD square plus DC square, its value is AC square from equation first. Hence, I write here, instead of AD square plus DC square, AC square plus this BC square plus 2 times DC into BC, means AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square plus 2 times DC into BC. Hence, second application is proved. The last theorem is Apollonius theorem. What is that? In triangle ABC, if M is the midpoint of side BC, then AB square plus AC square, this is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. Now, according to given, first I write given, in triangle ABC, M is the midpoint of BC. To prove AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. Now, first I draw the triangle ABC, in which M is the midpoint of BC. This BC, M is the midpoint of BC, means BM is equal to MC. Now, construction, draw AD perpendicular on BC. AD perpendicular to BC. Proof. First step, here midpoint, M is the midpoint of BC means what? This AM is the median of triangle ABC. Apollonius theorem, in which if the median is given, then you use the Apollonius theorem. Median. What is the definition of median? The line segment joining vertex and the midpoint of its opposite side, then that segment is called median. AM is a median. Now, what to prove here? AB square plus AC square means remaining two sides. On which side the median? BC. BC. Median is on the BC, remaining two sides AB and AC. Its square, AB square plus AC square, this is equal to 2 times AM square, 2 into median square, plus 2 times BM square, or you also write MC square, BM square or MC square. Now construction, draw AD perpendicular to BC, proof. First I write here BM is equal to MC, because M is, you also write this, total is equal to 1/2 BC, M is midpoint of side BC, equation first. Now you just studied the application of Pythagoras theorem. What that? If you take this triangle ABM, then angle M is the obtuse angle. Angle M is the obtuse angle, and this AD perpendicular to BM. Then according to application of Pythagoras theorem, I write here in this way: in triangle ABM, angle M greater than 90 degree means angle M obtuse angle, AD perpendicular to BM, AD perpendicular to BM. Therefore, by application of Pythagoras theorem, by application of Pythagoras theorem. How to use the application of Pythagoras theorem when angle is obtuse angle? Angle M, its opposite side, its square, this AB square, this is equal to remaining two sides AM and BM. Sum of the squares of remaining two sides, AM square plus BM square, plus 2 times this BM into MD, BM into MD, equation 2. Similarly, in triangle AMC, in triangle AMC, angle M is acute angle, angle M is acute angle, means the measure of this angle is less than 90 degree, and AD perpendicular to MC, this AD perpendicular to MC. Therefore, by application of Pythagoras theorem, by application of Pythagoras theorem, in triangle AMC, this angle AM is acute angle, means measure of this angle AMC is less than 90 degree, and AD perpendicular to MC, AD perpendicular to MC, by application of Pythagoras theorem. Hence I write here, in triangle AMC, angle AM is acute angle, AD perpendicular to MC by application of Pythagoras theorem. Acute angle AMC, its opposite side AC, its square. AC square is equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides, AM square plus MC square. AM square plus MC square minus 2 times this side MC into MD, MC into MD is equal to AM square I write as it is plus instead of this MC I substitute BM square, MC square, BM square. Why? From equation first BM is equal to MC, hence I substitute instead of MC BM minus 2 times MC, also I substitute BM into MD. From equation first, name this equation number 3, equation number 3. Now what to prove here? AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. If you add equation 1, 2 and 3, this is the AC square, 2 and 3, AB square plus AC square, LHS of this equation 2, LHS of equation 3, AB square plus AC square. This is equal to RHS, AM square plus BM square plus 2 times BM into MD plus RHS of equation 3, AM square plus BM square minus 2 times BM into MD, BM into MD. Therefore AB square plus AC square, this is equal to AM square 2AM square addition BM square plus 2BM square and plus 2BM MD minus 2BM MD get cancelled, hence here the Apollonius theorem is proved. Now the next is example on Apollonius theorem, practice set 2.2, in which question number first, in triangle PQR point S is the midpoint of side QR if PQ11, PR17, PS13, find QR. According to the given information, I draw the triangle PQR in which S is the midpoint of QR, hence I join PS, means this PS is the median of triangle PQR. What is the definition of median? In a triangle, line segment joining the vertex and the midpoint of opposite side, then that segment is called median. When the median is given in triangle, then you use the Apollonius theorem. Here PQ given, PR given, PS given, you easily find QR. First you find the QS or SR, then you find the QR. Now in solution triangle PQR, point S is midpoint of side QR. Therefore segment PS is a median. Therefore by Apollonius theorem. How to use the Apollonius theorem? You studied that. On which side? Median QR. PS is on the QR. Remaining two sides PQ and PR. PQ square plus PR square. Sum of the squares of remaining two sides. This is equal to 2 times median square PS square plus 2 times QS square or you also write SR square instead of QS. Now substitute the values here. PQ 11 its square plus PR 17 given its square, this is equal to 2 into PS 13 its square plus 2 QS square as it is. Now what is the square of 11? Means 11 into 11 121 plus square of 17 into 17 289. This is equal to 2 into square of 13 into 13 169 plus 2 QS square. Now next, sum of 121 plus 289, 9 plus 1 10, 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11, carry 1, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, means 121 plus 289 is equal to 410. This is equal to product of this, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12 plus 1 13, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 1 2 6s are 12 plus 1 13, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, means product of this 338 plus 2 QS square. Now I find the value of 2 QS square here. 2 QS square is equal to 410 minus 338. The subtraction of this 410 minus 338, 0 minus 8 means 10 minus 8 2, here 1 0 means 10 minus 3 7, 3 minus 3 0. The subtraction is 72, 2 QS square. Therefore QS square is equal to 72 divided by 2. Therefore QS square is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 2 6s are 6. QS square is equal to 36. Therefore QS is equal to 6 by taking square root on both sides. By taking square root on both sides, QS is equal to 6. What do you find here? QR. You find the value of QS 6. Therefore QR is what? 2 into QS means 2 into 6 12. Therefore QR is equal to 2 into QS, because S is midpoint of QR. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Therefore value of QR is equal to 12. Now the question number 3, in which triangle PQR is given, segment PS is median given, again PT perpendicular to QR, this given. From that to prove here PR square is equal to PS square plus QR into ST plus QR by 2 bracket square. Second, PQ square is equal to PS square minus QR into ST plus QR by 2 bracket square. Now first, what is given in triangle PQR, segment PS is median. Therefore QS is equal to SR. This QS is equal to SR is equal to QR by 2 equation first. QR by 2, value of QS and SR half of the QR. Now, in triangle PSR, this angle PSR is an obtuse angle. PSR is an obtuse angle. Again, PT perpendicular to SR. Therefore, by application of Pythagoras theorem, PSR, its opposite side is PR. This PR square is equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides, means PS square plus SR square, PS square plus SR square plus 2 times SR into ST. 2 times SR into ST. If angle is obtuse angle, then you use by application of Pythagoras theorem. Now, this is equal to, I write PS square as it is in first, PR square, PS square, hence PS square as it is, plus SR square. Where is the SR? This SR. This SR is equal to QR by 2. Means instead of SR, I substitute here QR by 2 bracket square plus this 2 SR. Here SR is equal to QR by 2. Therefore, 2 SR is equal to QR. I write here 2 SR means QR into ST from equation first. Hence, you write this PR square is equal to PS square plus QR into ST plus QR by 2 bracket square. This proof. Now, second one. In triangle, which triangle? PQS. In triangle PQS, angle S is acute angle, means less than 90 degree. Again, PT perpendicular to QS. Here in this triangle PQS, angle S, this angle is an acute angle less than 90 degree, and PT perpendicular to QS. By application of Pythagoras theorem, when angle is acute angle, then you write this PQ square, side opposite to acute angle, PQ square. This is equal to PS square plus QS square. PS square plus QS square minus, if acute angle is given, then minus 2 times QS into ST. Now, this is equal to PS square as it is plus, instead of QS, where is QS? This QS. In equation first, QS is equal to QR by 2. I substitute this QR by 2 bracket square minus 2 QS. QS is equal to QR by 2. Therefore, QR is equal to 2 into QS, means 2 QS is equal to QR. Hence, I write here QR into ST. Therefore, PQ square is equal to PS square minus QR into ST plus QR by 2 bracket square. This second is proof. PQ square is equal to PS square minus QR into ST plus QR by 2 bracket squares. Thank you.